Hey guys, I was about to shoot my best sunrise alarm clocks video here, and it just dawned on me that I have not done a comparison video between the Philips and the Hatch Restore 2 yet. So I want to do that first. So I'll make it kind of short and sweet here. If I had to choose one, which I have chosen, it's the Hatch Restore 2. That's the one I personally chose. The reason I chose it is because one, it's smaller and more compact. Two, it just looks nicer in my opinion. So if I'm gonna put one on my bedside table, it's gonna be the Hatch Restore 2. As you can see, the Philips is a lot larger, which means it does produce a brighter light, but the Hatch Restore 2 is plenty bright enough for me. One thing the Hatch Restore 2 does lack that the Philips has is the FM AM radio capability. So if that is important to you, you probably want to go with the Philips. But I don't know, pretty much everything else the Hatch Restore 2 has better. So I kind of have the opinion of like if you can carry the piano, you can carry the bench in terms of if you're going to get the Hatch Restore 2, I would say go ahead and sign up for the subscription, the monthly subscription. I did. I don't need like a lot of the crazy like extra stuff they offer in terms of like meditation and all that. I just wanted like all of the sounds and, like kind of my choice of which wake up sounds that I wanted. So mine's kind of like soft and mellow, but like upbeat. And so it literally puts me in a great mood when I wake up. Usually the light wakes me up before the sound does. And yeah, and then the sound comes on and it's actually a pleasant like beat and sound to it. So kind of like a jazzy pop thing. And let's see, there's more color options on the Hatch Restore 2 than the Philips. So it has more variants. You can see I'm doing my wind down routine now. And so it's slowly gone from bright orange down to this like pink, like sunset feel. And it's actually slightly darker than it appears on the screen just because the camera is trying to pick up on all the different colors. So again, if you don't want like all the extra functionality and you don't mind the aesthetic of the Philips, then I would go with Philips. If you want like the full Mondo, like all the different functionalities and everything, kind of like the nicest option out there with sunrise alarm clocks, Hatch Restore 2. So totally up to you guys. I would be happy with either if I didn't know about the other, but if I had to make my choice again, it's the Hatch Restore 2.